Hello friends, in this video you will learn jumping numbers program. The task is given a positive number x, find all jumping numbers smaller than or equal to x. Here is the jumping number. A number is called jumping number if all adjacent digits in it differ by only 1. All single digit numbers are considered as jumping numbers. For example, 7, 8987 and 4343456 are jumping numbers, but 796 and 89098 are not. Input output I will explain with the example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the number. Output is we print the jumping numbers up to that number, given number, like this. See, 10 is there. The output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test cases, I am using t variable, take the value of t. For all test cases, using while loop with t minus minus. In every test case, we take the number n. Take the value of n. There is some assumption is there. Int jd, jumping numbers array I am created with the size of 3500. See this. I assumption this is an assumption the numbers may be up to 3500. That's why I am using this much of size. Then see this. Using a function to get the all jumping numbers up to this many jumping numbers, 3500 jumping numbers we will get in this jumping numbers function. Passing two parameters, one is JD address, another one is this size of the array 3501. See this, here is a jumping function int star JD int n. To solve this task, it is good to use q, int q. Initially, first number is JD of 0 equal to 0. Then here is the beginning int I. So says all single digit numbers are considered as jumping numbers. Then I equal to 1 to 9. Those are all jumping numbers. Then just I am taking JD of I equal to I and q dot push I. So we get the jumping numbers 1 to 9. Then see this. Then after we will take this int num. Int num used for getting new numbers using num. See this. In this I will explain. Okay, I will explain the first test case how is going on. See this. There is a logic is there. In this we need to get the logic. That is the important one. We take the num from qfriend. Qfriend is the 1 now. So qfriend is 1. So num value is 1. It is initially 1 when t1 equal to num percentile 10 is gives 1. T1 also 1. In these two conditions, special conditions. Otherwise, if T1 equal to 0 or T1 equal to 9, both are different conditions. Otherwise, just comes to this place. See this. In this JD I plus plus I value increments. In this we have the plan. Get the idea. Here is see this idea. We are 1. 1 is there. 1 is there. Then you need to multiply 1 with 10 plus t1 minus 1, 10 plus t1. t1 is 1 minus 1 is 1. Then what is the value is 10. 10 is added in this queue. Then same way JD I plus plus equal to num star 10 plus t1 plus 1. So 1 into 10 is 10 plus t1 is 1 plus 1, 12. 12 is there. 12 also push it into the queue. In special case, see this. There are two special cases are there. One is 0, another one is 9. See this, what happens when the 0 comes. In this 10 comes, nothing but it is t1 value is, num value is 10. t1 equal to 10 percentile 10 gives the 0. So t1 equal to 0. In this case, just JD I plus plus equal to num value 10 into 10 plus t1 plus 1. When we go to back, see things. If I use minus 1, what's happened? Its value became 99. 99 is not the jumping number. So that's why removing the 99, I am using only plus 1. So its value became 101. Then push that value. 101 is pushed into the queue. Queue push JD I minus 1 is the 1. 101. Same way, take this 9. What's happened? When T1 num get the queue friend value is 9. Assume the 9 is there. Num T1 equal to num percentile 10 is 9. Then T1 equal to 9. In this case, what happened? See this. If I go 9 into 10 is 90 plus 9 is 99 minus 1 is 98. 98 is jumping number. Take one more one. If 9 into 10 is 90 plus 9 plus 1. If execute that one, what is happened? It's become the 100. 100 is not jumping number. To remove that 100, I am taking only minus 1. T1 minus 1. In these are the two special cases. Every other case, just this block executes. It is up to I value less than equal to n. Nothing but I value is 3500 numbers we get, jumping numbers we will get. That is the that may up to 10 power 9. See this. Our code is right or not by compile test. See this, one more thing. When we completing this one, we need to pop that element. One popped out, but 10 and 12 comes. Same way 2 comes, 21, 23 comes, then 2 popped out. In the same way, this is happening with this code. See this, our code is right or not by compile test. See this, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, it is a correct answer with the execution time 0.33. Sorry, execution time 0.03. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.